Hey everyone, thank you so much for taking a moment to watch my video. I'm Sammy. I've got Andrew behind the camera. We're here at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon, specializing in used inventory for over 25 years. This here is a really good example of just that. It's a 2006 Pleasureway XL TS, so it has the sofa in the back, built on the Ford 350 platform. Pleasureway does full body paint, and they build on the Ford platform in these years. Again, this is a 2006. Pleasureway's build quality is one of the only reasons we're able to keep something of this age. You've got decent storage back here. And for a van, you typically don't have any exterior storage. So that was very unique in these years. And then you have a good amount of space underneath your forward-facing sofa in the back. About 20 feet in overall length. We'll go ahead and take a look on the inside. Again, I'm Sammy. Andrew or anyone here at Johnson RV in Sandy would be happy to help. We'll have Andrew pop in and just look at the front seats there. They're wrapped in the ultra leather. It's that Ford platform again. You can put a table in between the seats, if you will. And then looking back here, you've got the kitchen on this side, 2-burner cooktop. You've got your forward-facing sofa that will convert into a sleeping space. It's got their cherry wood interior. And then you have a really good sized bathroom as well. It's a wet bath, but it has some storage in there. And then you have a wardrobe closet here. So again, in 20 feet, they really maximize every little inch of space. We're happy to answer any questions that you may have. Sammy, Andrew, or anyone here at Johnson RV would be happy to help.